Welcome back to JoeBob's Garage. Alright, I want to apologize. I hadn't made a video in a while. We had the holidays, plus I'm extremely lazy. What are we going to do? This episode I'm going to be doing some modifications to the brake mount because of the hardtail frame. It has to, you have to change how the brakes mount in the rear. I'm having the tires trued up, and let me see what else. Oh, I'm going to be working on the fork tubes. I want to get those taken apart. I want to grind out for the mounts for the front fender. I'm going to be removing that, and I'm going to go ahead and powder coat the lowers and get them looking good and rebuilt and put back together. I believe that's it. Oh yeah, one quick story. Lacing spoke wheels. I'd rather stick an ice pick in my temple than ever do that again. That was not fun. It's like I didn't film it because I was cussing too much. As a matter of fact, I think I learned a few new cuss words. And the neighbors, they can hear because this is all open, so I'm sure they're probably getting a petition together to get me kicked out of the neighborhood. But, okay, that aside, I hope you enjoy this video. Hey! What the hell's going on? Okay, what we got here, I took the springs out, and apparently whoever did this had one of the springs in upside down, because where they're very close together here, that goes towards the bottom. And here, these are extended fork tubes. So what they do is they put a spacer in here, And apparently whoever built this was a plumber, because in here they didn't have these spacers long enough, so they put some PVC pipe in there. I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna cut down some more pipe to be the right length. And they didn't have these so that they had any pre-tension on them. So when I undid the caps on the top, they didn't want to pop off, so there was no pre-tension on the springs. So I'm going to cut these spacers long enough so it's got a little tension on it.